Did you know that ancient civilizations could predict celestial events with astounding accuracy? Imagine looking up at the night sky thousands of years ago and being able to chart the movements of stars and planets without any modern technology. How did they do it? In this video, we're diving deep into 10 unexplained cases of ancient astronomical knowledge that still baffle scientists today. From the precise alignment of the pyramids to the mysterious Antikythera Mechanism, these stories will make you question everything you thought you knew about our ancestors' understanding of the cosmos. Stay with us till the end as we unravel the secrets of the past and explore how these ancient marvels continue to challenge our perception of history. The first mysterious case involves the Antikythera Mechanism, discovered in an ancient shipwreck off the coast of Greece in 1901. This bronze device has puzzled scientists ever since. Dating back to around 100 BC, the Antikythera Mechanism is often considered the world's first analog computer. Its intricate system of gears and dials could accurately predict astronomical phenomena such as the positions of the sun, moon, and even the timing of eclipses. Researchers have been astounded by the level of sophistication embedded in this small, hand-cranked machine, which employed a series of precisely manufactured gears to perform its complex calculations. The mechanism's ability to model the celestial movements rivals even some modern technology. What makes it truly enigmatic is that similar devices were not seen until nearly 1,000 years later. How did the ancient Greeks achieve such advanced knowledge of astronomy and mechanics? The discovery of the Antikythera Mechanism has opened up a myriad of questions about the technological capabilities of ancient civilizations and stands as a testament to the remarkable ingenuity of our ancestors. The second mysterious case involves various theories and interpretations surrounding the Antikythera Mechanism. Researchers have long debated its purpose, with some suggesting it was used for navigation, allowing ancient sailors to chart their courses by the stars. Others believe it had astrological significance, possibly helping priests and scholars track celestial events to predict earthly occurrences. The intricacy of the Antikythera Mechanism hints at technological knowledge far beyond what was previously believed to exist at the time. For instance, some gears were so precisely manufactured that they could only have been created using advanced techniques. This sophistication has led some to speculate that the device was part of a larger body of lost knowledge. Was it an isolated invention by a lone genius or part of a broader, yet undiscovered, tradition of scientific innovation? Theories abound, but what remains uncontested is that the Antikythera Mechanism stands as a marvel of ancient engineering, raising questions about other potential technological wonders hidden by the sands of time. As we ponder these possibilities, the device continues to captivate modern scientists, fueling further research into the forgotten brilliance of our ancestors. The third mysterious case involves the scientific analysis of the Antikythera Mechanism. Modern studies and reconstructions of this ancient device have unveiled astonishing details, deepening our understanding of its complexity. Using advanced imaging techniques like X-ray tomography, researchers have been able to peer inside the corroded bronze fragments without causing any damage. These scans have revealed the intricacies of the gear arrangements and inscriptions that were previously obscured. Recent advancements have allowed scientists to recreate highly accurate models of the mechanism, providing hands-on insights into its functions. For example, a team of researchers from University College London created a fully functional replica using the detailed data obtained from these scans. This reconstruction has confirmed that the Antikythera Mechanism could indeed predict solar and lunar eclipses, track the movements of the planets, and perhaps even monitor the cycles of the ancient Olympic Games. The ongoing research has sparked a renewed interest in ancient engineering practices and has opened up new avenues for understanding the technological prowess of our ancestors. These modern studies have not only validated the extraordinary capabilities of the Antikythera Mechanism, but have also highlighted the sophisticated craftsmanship and scientific knowledge that existed over 2 millennia ago. As we continue to explore and reconstruct ancient artifacts with contemporary technology, we may yet uncover more secrets of past civilizations, leading us closer to comprehending the full extent of their astronomical and mechanical expertise. The fourth mysterious case involves the Nebra Sky Disk. This extraordinary artifact was unearthed in 1999 in a forest in Germany and has since become one of the most fascinating archaeological discoveries of the modern era. Dating back to around 1600 BC, the Nebra Sky Disk is a bronze disk approximately 30 centimeters in diameter, adorned with a series of gold symbols that represent the sun, moon, and stars. Its surface features a complex arrangement of celestial objects, including a cluster identified as the Pleiades, which further adds to its enigmatic nature. What makes the Nebra Sky Disk truly remarkable is not just its age but the advanced astronomical knowledge it embodies. The precise placement of the celestial symbols suggests that its creators had a sophisticated understanding of the night sky, far beyond what was previously attributed to Bronze Age Europeans. Some researchers believe that the disk was used as an astronomical instrument, potentially to track the movement of celestial bodies or to mark significant events like solstices. The presence of the sun and moon symbols, along with the carefully arranged stars, indicates that the makers of the Nebra Sky Disk may have been using it to synchronize solar and lunar calendars, an incredibly advanced practice for that time. Additionally, the disk features a pair of arcs on either side, which some experts interpret as horizon markers used to calculate angles of celestial objects. This leads to further speculation about its use in early forms of navigation or ritualistic purposes. The discovery of the Nebra Sky Disk has prompted a re-evaluation of the astronomical capabilities of ancient European cultures, suggesting that they possessed a level of observational prowess that was long underestimated. Just as with the Antikythera Mechanism, the Nebra Sky Disk challenges our assumptions and opens up new questions about the extent of ancient knowledge of the cosmos. The more we study this fascinating artifact, the more we uncover about the intricate relationship our ancestors had with the stars and the sophistication of their astronomical practices. As new research continues to shed light on the Nebra Sky Disk, it stands as a testament to the ingenuity and observational skills of ancient civilizations, leaving us to marvel at their profound connection to the celestial world. The cultural context surrounding the Nebra Sky Disk is essential to understanding its significance during the Bronze Age. This remarkable artifact isn't just a testament to early astronomical knowledge, but also offers a glimpse into the cultural and spiritual life of its creators. The Nebra Sky Disk, with its intricate design, likely served multiple purposes, blending practical utility with ritualistic importance. First, as a calendar, the disk's precise depiction of celestial bodies suggests it was used to track celestial cycles. The inclusion of the sun, moon, and stars implies an advanced awareness of seasonal changes and the passage of time. This would have been crucial for agricultural communities relying on predictable weather patterns for planting and harvesting crops. Additionally, the synchronization of solar and lunar calendars facilitated the planning of festivals and other communal events, ensuring they occurred at the most auspicious times. The arcs on the disk, interpreted by some experts as horizon markers, could have helped users calculate the position of the sun during solstices, further reinforcing its role as a calendrical device. However, the Nebra Sky Disk's cultural significance extends beyond its function as a timekeeping tool. The combination of astronomical symbols and potential horizon markers hints at a deeper ritualistic use. The Bronze Age was a period rich in mythology and spiritual practice, where celestial phenomena were often imbued with sacred meaning. The careful placement of symbols on the disk suggests it may have been employed in rituals or ceremonies designed to honor deities, seek guidance, or ensure favorable outcomes for the community. The presence of the Pleiades, which held various mythological significances across different cultures, further supports the idea that the disk was a tool for connecting with the divine. Its creators might have believed that by aligning their activities with the stars, they could harness cosmic forces for prosperity and protection. Consequently, the Nebra Sky Disk stands as a multifaceted artifact representing both scientific ingenuity and spiritual devotion. It offers a unique window into the complex interplay between observation and belief in Bronze Age societies, revealing how they perceived and interacted with the cosmos. As we continue to explore the cultural context of this enigmatic disk, we gain invaluable insights into the worldviews of our ancient ancestors and their sophisticated relationship with the celestial realm. Theories and debates abound when it comes to the Nebra Sky Disk, with scholars diving deep into its exact purpose and the extent of its creator's astronomical knowledge. One prominent theory posits that the disk was used as a sophisticated calendar, synchronizing both solar and lunar cycles to aid in agricultural planning and ceremonial events. This idea is bolstered by the precise placement of celestial symbols, including the sun, moon, and stars, suggesting an advanced understanding of astronomical patterns. However, other experts contend that the disk's purpose extended beyond mere timekeeping. They argue that the inclusion of symbols like the Pleiades points to a deeper ritualistic significance, possibly connected to mythological beliefs and spiritual practices of the time. The presence of the arcs, thought to represent horizon markers, further complicates interpretations. Some researchers propose that these features were used for observational purposes, such as tracking the solstices, which would indicate a high level of astronomical knowledge. On the other hand, there are those who believe that the disk's complexity could mean it served multiple functions, blending practical, ceremonial, and spiritual uses. The debates also touch upon the technological capabilities of Bronze Age Europeans, with some scholars astonished at the level of sophistication displayed. This has led to questions about whether the Nebra Sky Disk was an isolated creation or part of a broader tradition of astronomical instruments now lost to history. As new studies and interpretations emerge, the Nebra Sky Disk continues to intrigue and challenge our understanding, revealing ever more layers of complexity and insight into the minds of its ancient creators. The third mysterious case involves the Mayan calendar. The ancient Maya civilization, known for its remarkable achievements in mathematics and astronomy, developed one of the most complex and precise calendar systems in human history. This calendar system encompassed several interlocking cycles, including the Tzolk'in, a 260-day ceremonial calendar, and the Hab, a 365-day solar calendar. Together, these cycles created a calendar round that repeated every 52 years. What sets the Mayan calendar apart is its long count, a linear count of days that spans thousands of years. This system allowed the Maya to track long periods of time and align significant events with celestial occurrences. The precision of the Mayan calendar is astonishing. For example, their calculations of the solar year were incredibly accurate, with a margin of error of just seconds. The Maya were also able to predict solar and lunar eclipses with remarkable accuracy, and even tracked the cycles of Venus, using it to time important rituals and events. The Mayan calendar was not just a tool for tracking time, but a reflection of the Mayas' profound understanding of the cosmos and its influence on earthly life. Their ability to synchronize their activities with celestial events speaks to their intricate knowledge of astronomy and the deep cultural significance they placed on the heavens. The legacy of the Mayan calendar continues to captivate modern researchers, offering insights into the advanced scientific and cultural practices of this ancient civilization. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Mayan calendar, it becomes clear that the Mayas' astronomical expertise was far ahead of its time, leaving us to marvel at their ingenuity and their profound connection to the stars. The mechanics of the Mayan calendar are a fascinating interplay of various cycles that interlock to create an incredibly accurate system for measuring time. Central to this system are two primary cycles, the Hab and the Tzolk'in. The Hab, often referred to as the solar calendar, consists of 365 days and is divided into 18 months of 20 days each, followed by a short month of 5 days called Wayeb. This structure was used to track the solar year and align agricultural activities with the seasons. On the other hand, the Tzolk'in is a 260-day ceremonial calendar composed of 13 periods of 20 days each. This cycle was primarily used for religious and ceremonial purposes, guiding the timing of rituals and important events. The genius of the Mayan calendar lies in how these two cycles interlock to form what is known as the calendar round. This round consists of a total of 980 unique days, which is the least common multiple of 260 and 365. As a result, each specific combination of a Hab date and a Tzolk'in date would recur only once every 52 years, making this a key period in the Mayan system. This synchronization allowed the Maya to plan and predict events with great accuracy. Additionally, the Mayan calendar included the long count, a linear count of days that extended beyond the cycle of the calendar round, enabling the Maya to record historical events far into the past and future. This structure provided a comprehensive framework for understanding time and celestial movements, highlighting the Maya's sophisticated knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. The ninth mysterious case involves the predictive use of the Mayan calendar and the astounding accuracy with which the Maya predicted solar and lunar eclipses, as well as other astronomical events. The Maya's deep understanding of the cosmos enabled them to forecast celestial occurrences with incredible precision. They meticulously observed the sky and recorded the patterns of celestial bodies, developing sophisticated mathematical models to predict future events. Their methods were so advanced that they could accurately predict solar and lunar eclipses, often to within a day. This level of precision is particularly impressive considering the tools and technology available to them at the time. The Maya's ability to forecast these events was not only a testament to their astronomical expertise, but also held significant cultural and religious importance. Eclipses were seen as powerful omens, and the ability to predict them allowed Maya priests and rulers to prepare for these impactful events, perform necessary rituals, and reinforce their authority and knowledge. Furthermore, the Maya also tracked the movements of planets, most notably Venus. They recognized Venus's cycle and used it to time important rituals and military campaigns. The Dresden Codex, one of the few surviving Maya manuscripts, contains detailed tables tracking the cycles of Venus and predicting its appearances and conjunctions with remarkable accuracy. These predictions were crucial for the Maya's religious and societal planning, reflecting their intricate understanding of the celestial mechanics and the importance they placed on aligning their lives with the movements of the heavens. The advanced predictive capabilities of the Mayan calendar continue to baffle researchers, showcasing the Maya's extraordinary knowledge of astronomy and their sophisticated mathematical prowess. As we delve deeper into their predictive methods, we gain a greater appreciation for their ability to connect the terrestrial and celestial worlds in a way that has few parallels in ancient civilizations. The fourth mysterious case involves the pyramids of Giza and their astonishing astronomical alignments. These ancient structures have long fascinated historians and scientists alike, not just because of their immense size and precise construction, but also because of their intriguing connection with the stars. The three pyramids of Giza, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure are aligned with impressive accuracy along the stars of Orion's belt. This alignment is not a mere coincidence but reflects the ancient Egyptians' profound understanding of celestial patterns. Orion was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife, and the alignment of the pyramids with these stars is believed to symbolize the pharaoh's journey to join Osiris in the afterlife. The precision of this alignment suggests that the ancient Egyptians had advanced knowledge of astronomy, allowing them to plan and construct the pyramids in such a way that they mirrored the heavens. Additionally, the Great Pyramid of Khufu is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points north, south, east, and west, demonstrating an impressive mastery of geodetic and astronomical principles. This precise orientation would have required careful observation of the stars over long periods. Some researchers have suggested that the ancient Egyptians used the pole star to achieve this alignment, although the exact methods remain a subject of debate. The descending and ascending passages within the Great Pyramid also appear to point to specific stars, further highlighting the astronomical significance embedded in the structure. For instance, around 2500 BC, the descending passage would have pointed directly at Thuban, a star in the constellation Draco, which was the pole star at that time. The astronomical alignments of the pyramids of Giza are not limited to Orion's belt and the cardinal points. The placement and orientation of these monumental structures also reflect the ancient Egyptians' intricate knowledge of the solar cycle. The layout of the pyramids and the surrounding complex is thought to have been designed to synchronize with the solstices and equinoxes, marking important dates in the solar year. This alignment would have been crucial for agricultural planning, ensuring that planting and harvesting were done at the most beneficial times. The presence of solar symbolism in the pyramid's design, such as the alignment with the east-west axis, further underscores the deep connection between these structures and the movements of the sun. These alignments continue to puzzle modern researchers, raising questions about the tools and techniques used by the ancient Egyptians to achieve such precision. The pyramids of Giza stand as a testament to the remarkable astronomical knowledge of this ancient civilization, showcasing their ability to integrate celestial patterns into their architectural achievements. As we uncover more about these alignments, we gain deeper insights into the sophisticated understanding of the cosmos possessed by the builders of the pyramids. This mysterious case challenges our perceptions and invites us to marvel at the ingenuity and astronomical expertise that went into the creation of one of the world's most iconic landmarks. Theories abound as to why and how the ancient Egyptians aligned these colossal structures with such precision. One prevailing theory suggests that the alignment was achieved through meticulous observations of the night sky, using the stars as reference points. The ancient Egyptians likely spent years watching the stars and recording their positions, gradually refining their techniques to achieve the precise alignments we see today. This method would have involved using simple tools like sighting rods or ropes to mark the positions of key stars, allowing them to create a framework for the pyramid's construction. Another theory proposes that the alignment was achieved using the sun. The Egyptians might have used the rising and setting of the sun during key times of the year, such as the solstices, to orient their structures. By marking where the sun rose or set on the horizon during these events, they could determine the cardinal points with a high degree of accuracy. This method would have been particularly useful for aligning the pyramids with the east-west axis, ensuring that the structures were in harmony with the solar cycle. Some researchers also suggest that water played a crucial role in the alignment process. They theorize that the ancient Egyptians could have used a technique involving water-filled trenches to create a perfectly level base for the pyramids. By observing the reflections of the stars in the still water, they could fine-tune the alignment of the structures. This method would have allowed them to achieve the precise north-south orientation seen in the pyramids. Beyond the practical methods of alignment, there are also theories about the underlying reasons for such astronomical precision. One prevalent idea is that the pyramids were designed to serve not only as tombs but as monumental celestial observatories. By aligning the pyramids with specific stars and the cardinal points, the ancient Egyptians could have ensured that the pharaoh's souls would ascend to join the gods in the afterlife, particularly Osiris, who was associated with the constellation Orion. This celestial journey was of paramount importance in Egyptian mythology, and the precise alignment of the pyramids would have reinforced the pharaoh's divine connection to the stars. Another perspective suggests that the precise alignment of the pyramids was meant to symbolize the Egyptians' mastery over the natural world. By demonstrating their ability to manipulate celestial patterns and orient massive structures with precision, the ancient Egyptians could assert their control over both the earthly and heavenly realms. This would have reinforced the pharaoh's position as a divine ruler, chosen by the gods to maintain order and harmony in the universe. Theories also explore the possibility that the alignment of the pyramids was part of a larger, unified system of sacred architecture. Some researchers propose that the positioning of the pyramids, along with other significant structures like temples and obelisks, was part of a grand design that reflected the Egyptians' cosmological beliefs. This interconnected network of sacred sites would have created a vast terrestrial mirror of the heavens, aligning the human world with the divine order of the cosmos. As we consider these theories, it becomes clear that the alignments of the pyramids of Giza are a testament to the ancient Egyptians' extraordinary knowledge of astronomy, engineering, and their deep spiritual connection to the stars. The debate among scholars continues, but what remains uncontested is the remarkable sophistication required to achieve such precise alignments. These theories not only highlight the technical prowess of the pyramid builders, but also provide a glimpse into the profound cultural and religious significance that the alignment of these monumental structures held for ancient Egyptian society. The cultural significance of these alignments within Egyptian cosmology and mythology is profound, reflecting the ancient Egyptians' intricate relationship with the cosmos and their deeply held spiritual beliefs. In Egyptian mythology, the alignment of the pyramids with Orion's belt is particularly significant. Orion was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife and resurrection. By aligning the pyramids with these stars, the ancient Egyptians symbolically connected the pharaoh's tombs with the divine realm, ensuring that the deceased ruler would join Osiris in the afterlife. This celestial journey was a crucial aspect of their religious belief system, reinforcing the pharaoh's divine status and eternal life among the gods. Additionally, the precise orientation of the Great Pyramid of Khufu to the cardinal points reflects the Egyptians' view of the cosmos as a balanced and orderly system. The alignment with the cardinal directions represented the four pillars of the earth which supported the sky and reflected the harmonious order the pharaoh was meant to maintain. The ascending and descending passages of the Great Pyramid, aimed at specific stars, enabled the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens and join the eternal cycle of the cosmos. This architectural design was deeply symbolic, embodying the concept of Mat, which represented truth, balance, and cosmic order. The Egyptians believed that by mirroring the heavens on earth through their monumental structures, they could ensure the stability and continuity of the universe. Furthermore, the solar symbolism in the pyramid's design, such as the alignment with the east-west axis, emphasized the sun god Ra's significance. The daily journey of the sun across the sky was seen as a metaphor for the pharaoh's passage through life, death, and rebirth. By aligning the pyramids with the path of the sun, the ancient Egyptians sought to guarantee the pharaoh's rebirth in the afterlife, mirroring the sun's daily renewal. This solar connection also reinforced the pharaoh's role as the intermediary between the gods and the people, tasked with maintaining the divine order on earth. The cultural significance of these astronomical alignments extends beyond the individual pharaohs to encompass the entire Egyptian worldview. The integration of celestial patterns into their architecture demonstrates the Egyptians' desire to reflect the divine order of the heavens in their earthly realm, ensuring harmony and balance. This deep connection between the stars, the gods, and the pharaohs reflects a sophisticated understanding of the cosmos and its influence on human life, underscoring the profound spiritual and symbolic meanings embedded in the alignments of the pyramids of Giza. As we delve deeper into these cultural aspects, it becomes evident that the ancient Egyptians' astronomical alignments were not just technical achievements but expressions of their cosmological beliefs and their quest to align their world with the eternal and divine order of the universe. The fifth mysterious case involves Stonehenge. Stonehenge is a world-renowned megalithic structure located in England, famed for its impressive ring of standing stones. This ancient monument has been the subject of much speculation and research, particularly regarding its alignment with the solstices. Constructed around 2500 BC, Stonehenge showcases a remarkable understanding of astronomical phenomena, specifically the solar cycles. One of the most striking features of Stonehenge is its alignment with the solstices. During the summer solstice, the sun rises directly above the heel stone, casting a beam of light that penetrates the heart of the stone circle. This precise alignment suggests that the builders of Stonehenge had a deep knowledge of the solar calendar and deliberately positioned the stones to mark this annual event. Similarly, during the winter solstice, the sun sets in perfect alignment with the central altar stone, indicating that the monument was used to track the shortest day of the year. This dual alignment with both the summer and winter solstices demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of the solar cycle, allowing ancient people to mark the changing seasons and perhaps orchestrate rituals or festivals in accordance with these significant celestial events. The alignment of Stonehenge with the solstices also hints at its potential use as an ancient observatory. The arrangement of the stones might have allowed the builders to track the movement of the sun throughout the year, providing a reliable calendar system that guided agricultural activities and ceremonial events. The ability to predict the solstices would have been crucial for a society reliant on the changing seasons for planting and harvesting crops, as well as for planning religious observances. Stonehenge's role as a solar observatory is further supported by various archaeological findings. Excavations have revealed a series of pits and post holes surrounding the stone circle, possibly used to mark the moon's movements and track lunar cycles. This suggests that Stonehenge was not only aligned with the sun but also integrated the lunar calendar, making it an even more comprehensive astronomical tool. The cultural significance of Stonehenge's alignment with the solstices extends beyond its practical applications. The solstices were likely imbued with spiritual and ritualistic importance, symbolizing rebirth, renewal, and the cyclical nature of life. The precise alignment of Stonehenge with these celestial events reflects the ancient builders' deep connection to the cosmos and their desire to synchronize their lives with the rhythms of the natural world. As we continue to study Stonehenge and its enigmatic alignments, we uncover more about the sophisticated astronomical knowledge and cultural practices of the people who constructed this iconic monument. The archaeological findings around Stonehenge have unearthed fascinating insights into its astronomical and ceremonial uses. Recent excavations have revealed an extensive network of subterranean features and post holes surrounding the site, suggesting that Stonehenge was part of a much larger complex. These discoveries include evidence of processional routes leading to and from the monument, indicating that it was a significant ceremonial center. Additionally, the discovery of the Stonehenge cursus, a vast earthwork near the stone circle, has provided new context for understanding the site's ceremonial landscape. Radiocarbon dating of organic material found in these surrounding features has helped to establish a more precise timeline for the construction and use of Stonehenge, indicating that it was continuously modified and used for various purposes over several centuries. One of the most intriguing findings is the identification of pits and post holes that align with lunar cycles, suggesting that Stonehenge was not just a solar observatory but also tracked lunar movements. This dual alignment with both the solar and lunar calendars underscores the site's role as a comprehensive astronomical tool, guiding agricultural activities and ceremonial events. These pits may have held wooden posts or stones, which could have been used to mark the moon's position throughout its cycles, providing a more nuanced understanding of timekeeping and celestial observation. Moreover, the excavation of burials around Stonehenge has revealed that it was a significant site for funerary practices. The remains of cremated individuals, accompanied by elaborate grave goods, suggest that Stonehenge was a place of great spiritual importance where ceremonies honoring the deceased took place. These burials, combined with the site's astronomical alignments, imply that Stonehenge functioned as a bridge between the terrestrial and celestial realms, serving as both a calendar and a sacred space for ritualistic activities. Another significant discovery is the Blue Stonehenge, located a short distance from Stonehenge along the River Avon. This smaller circle of blue stones, believed to have been erected around the same time as Stonehenge, further emphasizes the interconnectedness of the ceremonial landscape. The blue stones were later moved to form part of the Stonehenge structure, highlighting the evolving nature of the site and its continuous ceremonial significance. These archaeological findings have provided invaluable insights into the multifaceted uses of Stonehenge, revealing it as a sophisticated astronomical observatory and a central ceremonial site. As excavations continue and more discoveries are made, our understanding of Stonehenge's role in ancient society deepens, shedding light on the intricate relationship between its astronomical alignments and ceremonial functions. This ongoing research not only enhances our appreciation of Stonehenge's architectural genius, but also offers a glimpse into the spiritual and cultural lives of the people who built and used this iconic monument. Theoretical perspectives on Stonehenge's purpose have long fascinated scholars, revealing a complex tapestry of interpretations ranging from it being an ancient observatory to a site for rituals connected to celestial events. The idea of Stonehenge as an ancient observatory is supported by its precise alignments with the solstices, suggesting it was used to mark the changing seasons. This perspective posits that the builders had a sophisticated understanding of the solar calendar, positioning the stones to track the sun's movements and predict key agricultural events. The alignment with the summer solstice, where the sun rises above the heel stone, and the winter solstice, where it sets in line with the altar stone, indicates that Stonehenge could serve as a reliable calendar system. This capability would have been crucial for a society dependent on seasonal changes for crop planting and harvesting, ensuring that their agricultural activities were timed perfectly with the solar year. Additionally, the presence of pits and post holes suggests that Stonehenge might have also tracked lunar cycles. This dual alignment with both the solar and lunar calendars points to a comprehensive astronomical tool that helped ancient peoples synchronize their rituals and daily lives with celestial rhythms. This interpretation implies that Stonehenge was a center for astronomical observation, where ancient people gathered to study the heavens and share knowledge about the cosmos. On the other hand, another significant interpretation views Stonehenge as a sacred ritual site. The alignments with the solstices are thought to have had spiritual and ceremonial significance, symbolizing rebirth and renewal. The rising and setting sun during these critical times of the year would have imbued the monument with profound ritualistic meaning, marking the cyclical nature of life and the universe. The discovery of cremated remains and grave goods around Stonehenge supports this perspective, indicating that it was a site for funerary practices and ancestor worship. Ceremonies likely took place to honor the dead and seek guidance from the celestial deities, with the precise alignments reinforcing the connection between earth and sky. Some researchers propose that Stonehenge served as a gathering place for significant community events and festivals. The processional routes leading to the monument suggest that people traveled from far distances to partake in communal rituals, celebrating the solstices and other important celestial events. These gatherings would have strengthened social cohesion and ensured the transmission of cultural and astronomical knowledge across generations. Theories also suggest that Stonehenge was a place for healing and pilgrimage, with its unique alignment and imposing presence offering spiritual and physical solace to those who visited. These varying theoretical perspectives highlight the multifaceted nature of Stonehenge, blending practical, ceremonial, and spiritual functions. As an ancient observatory, it demonstrates the remarkable astronomical knowledge of its builders. As a ritual site, it reflects the deep cultural and spiritual connections that ancient people had with the cosmos. The ongoing research and new archaeological discoveries continue to add layers to our understanding of Stonehenge, illustrating its significance as one of the most enigmatic and multifaceted monuments of the ancient world. By exploring these diverse interpretations, we gain a richer appreciation of the complex ways in which ancient people understood and interacted with the celestial realm. The sixth mysterious case involves the Baghdad Battery. This enigmatic artifact was discovered in 1938 by German archaeologist Wilhelm Koenig near Baghdad, Iraq. The Baghdad Battery is believed to date back to the Parthian or Sassanid periods, roughly 250 BC to 650 AD. It consists of a clay jar about 14 centimeters tall, containing a copper cylinder encased in an iron rod. The jar also shows signs that it may have been filled with an acidic liquid, possibly vinegar or lemon juice, which some researchers speculate could have served as an electrolyte. This combination of materials suggests that the Baghdad Battery may have functioned as an early form of galvanic cell, predating modern batteries by nearly 2 millennia. If true, the implications are staggering. How did ancient artisans come to possess such advanced knowledge of electrochemical principles? The discovery of the Baghdad Battery has sparked considerable debate among scholars. Some believe it was used for electroplating jewelry, as the generated electric current could deposit a thin metallic layer onto an object. Others argue that it might have had medicinal or religious purposes, perhaps used in rituals requiring electrical phenomena. The idea of ancient people harnessing electricity is both fascinating and mysterious, raising questions about the depth of technological innovation in ancient Mesopotamia. Despite various theories, the exact purpose of the Baghdad Battery remains an unresolved mystery. Modern experiments have demonstrated that replicas of the Baghdad Battery can indeed produce a small electric charge when filled with an acidic liquid. This has fueled further speculation about its use and the scientific knowledge possessed by ancient civilizations. The Baghdad Battery stands as an intriguing example of how much is still unknown about the technological capabilities of our ancestors. As researchers continue to explore and debate its function, this artifact challenges our understanding of ancient innovation and underscores the potential for other lost technologies yet to be discovered. The intrigue surrounding the Baghdad Battery continues to captivate historians and scientists alike, as it offers a glimpse into the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the ancient world. Theories abound regarding the purpose of the Baghdad Battery. Some scholars suggest it was used for electroplating, a process that applies a thin metal coating to an object through electrochemical deposition. This theory is supported by modern experiments that replicate the Baghdad Battery and successfully produce a small electric charge. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar or lemon juice, the battery creates enough electricity to deposit a thin layer of metal onto another object, lending credence to the idea that ancient artisans could have used this technology to enhance the appearance of jewelry or sacred artifacts. This capability would be remarkable for a civilization over 2 millennia old, indicating a sophisticated understanding of electrochemical principles. Another prominent hypothesis is that the Baghdad Battery had a ceremonial or religious function. In this context, the battery might have been used in rituals that required electrical phenomena, which could have been perceived as manifestations of divine power. The presence of a small electric current during religious ceremonies could have added a mystical element, reinforcing the spiritual beliefs of the time. This idea is tantalizing, suggesting that the ancient Mesopotamians had not only practical uses for their technological innovations, but also integrated these advancements into their religious and cultural practices. Some researchers propose that the Baghdad battery might have had medicinal applications. In ancient times, the sensation of a mild electric shock could have been used therapeutically or as a diagnostic tool. This theory is intriguing because it opens up the possibility that ancient civilizations explored the health benefits of electrical stimulation long before the modern era. The concept of using electricity for healing purposes, even at a rudimentary level, showcases the resourcefulness and experimental nature of early medical practitioners. Others argue that the battery could have been an educational device, perhaps used to demonstrate basic principles of electricity and chemistry to students or apprentices. This educational perspective highlights the potential role of the Baghdad battery in the transmission of scientific knowledge across generations, fostering an environment of learning and innovation. Regardless of its exact use, the existence of the Baghdad battery challenges our perception of ancient technological capabilities. It prompts us to reconsider the extent of scientific understanding in early civilizations and the potential for other lost technologies waiting to be rediscovered. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the Baghdad battery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity and curiosity that drove ancient people to experiment with the natural world, leaving us to wonder what other secrets lie hidden in the annals of history. Modern experiments have tested these hypotheses about the Baghdad battery, revealing fascinating insights into its potential applications. Researchers have recreated replicas of the Baghdad battery, utilizing materials similar to those found in the original artifact. By filling these replicas with an acidic liquid like vinegar or lemon juice, they were able to generate a small but measurable electric current. These experiments have demonstrated that the battery could indeed function as a primitive galvanic cell, producing enough electricity to support theories of its use in electroplating. For instance, a thin layer of metal was successfully deposited onto an object, proving that ancient artisans could have used this technology to enhance jewelry or other decorative items. Furthermore, scientific testing has explored the potential medicinal applications of the Baghdad battery. Modern researchers have investigated whether the mild electric current generated could have been used for therapeutic purposes. In laboratory settings, the battery's output was applied to various biological samples, evaluating its effects on cell stimulation and healing processes. The results suggest that the electric current, although small, could have had a beneficial impact on certain medical conditions, hinting at the possible use of this technology in ancient health practices. Additionally, experiments have sought to understand the ceremonial or religious significance of the Baghdad battery. By replicating the electrical phenomena in controlled environments, researchers have examined how the small electric shock produced could have been perceived as a divine manifestation. These tests involved simulating ritualistic scenarios to observe the psychological and cultural impacts of the electrical effects on participants. The findings indicate that the battery's ability to generate electricity could have added a mystical element to religious ceremonies, reinforcing spiritual beliefs and practices. Through these modern experiments, the Baghdad battery continues to intrigue scientists and historians, opening new avenues for understanding the technological ingenuity of ancient civilizations. By testing various hypotheses and applications, researchers are not only uncovering the potential uses of this enigmatic artifact, but also gaining deeper insights into the scientific and cultural advancements of the past. The ongoing investigation of the Baghdad battery highlights the remarkable resourcefulness of our ancestors and their ability to harness natural phenomena in ways that continue to captivate the modern world. The seventh mysterious case involves the Nazca lines. These enormous geoglyphs etched into the Peruvian desert have puzzled researchers and viewers alike since their discovery. Created by the ancient Nazca culture between 500 BC and 500 AD, the Nazca lines cover an area of nearly 1,000 square kilometers. The sheer scale and complexity of these designs can only be fully appreciated from an aerial perspective, which adds to their mysterious allure. The Nazca lines include various shapes, ranging from simple geometric patterns to intricate depictions of animals, plants, and human figures. Some of the most famous designs include a hummingbird, spider, monkey, and even a figure known as the astronaut. The method used to create these massive drawings involved removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the desert surface, revealing the lighter-colored earth beneath. This simple yet effective technique has preserved the lines for centuries, thanks in part to the region's stable climate. What remains a mystery is the purpose of these geoglyphs. Some theories suggest they were created as part of astronomical rituals, aligning with certain celestial events. For instance, some lines appear to point directly to the horizon positions of the sun during solstices and equinoxes, suggesting a possible connection to solar and lunar cycles. Other experts propose that the lines had a religious or ceremonial function, possibly serving as pathways for ritual processions. The scale and precision of the Nazca lines indicate a sophisticated level of planning and understanding of geometry. Given that they are only truly visible from above, some researchers speculate that hot air balloons or other aerial devices were used to design and view the lines. However, there is no concrete evidence to support this claim. The Nazca lines continue to captivate researchers and visitors, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the ingenuity and cultural practices of the ancient Nazca civilization. As studies and technologies advance, we may one day unlock the full meaning behind these enigmatic geoglyphs, but for now, they remain one of history's most intriguing mysteries. The astronomical alignments of the Nazca lines add yet another layer of mystery to these enigmatic geoglyphs. Many researchers have noted that some of the lines and figures appear to align with key celestial bodies, such as the sun, moon, and certain stars. This observation has led to a lively debate about whether the Nazca people designed these lines with astronomical purposes in mind. For instance, certain lines seem to point directly to the positions of the sun during the solstices and equinoxes. This precise alignment suggests that the lines could have been used as a calendar system, helping the Nazca track the changing seasons and plan agricultural activities accordingly. Similar to other ancient cultures that utilized celestial markers, the Nazca might have relied on the sun's movements to dictate important planting and harvesting times, ensuring the success of their crops. Moreover, some researchers propose that the animal figures themselves may also have astronomical significance. For example, the depiction of a monkey with a spiral tail has been interpreted by some as representing the constellation Draco, while the spider figure is thought to be associated with the constellation Orion. These interpretations imply that the Nazca lines served not only as a terrestrial representation of the heavens, but also as a map for navigating the night sky. By embedding their cosmological knowledge into the landscape, the Nazca could have created a vast, open-air observatory that reflected their deep understanding of celestial patterns. Despite these compelling theories, there is still considerable debate among scholars about the primary purpose of the Nazca lines. While the astronomical alignment theory is supported by the precise orientation of certain lines, other experts argue that the lines may have had religious or ceremonial functions. The idea that the lines served as pathways for ritual processions is a strong contender, suggesting that the Nazca lines were part of complex spiritual practices. The lines' alignment with celestial bodies could then be seen as enhancing their religious significance, linking the earthly realm with the divine. Another intriguing theory posits that the Nazca lines were used for water-related rituals. Given the arid environment of the Nazca Desert, water was a precious resource, and the lines could have been designed to invoke deities responsible for rainfall and fertility. This theory is supported by the discovery of ancient aqueducts in the region, indicating that water management was crucial for the Nazca people. The geoglyphs might have played a dual role, serving both practical and spiritual purposes related to ensuring water supply and agricultural bounty. The debate about the purpose of the Nazca lines remains ongoing, with new discoveries continuing to add to our understanding of these fascinating geoglyphs. What is clear, however, is that the Nazca lines reflect a sophisticated level of astronomical knowledge and cultural complexity. Whether they serve to track celestial events, guide ritual processions, or secure vital resources, the Nazca lines stand as a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual depth of the ancient Nazca civilization. As technology advances and more research is conducted, we may eventually uncover the full story behind these incredible designs, but for now, they remain one of history's most captivating mysteries. Theories and interpretations of the Nazca lines continue to stir debate among researchers, with many proposing fascinating ideas about their purpose. One prominent theory suggests that the lines served as astronomical calendars. According to this view, the Nazca people meticulously designed certain lines to align with key celestial events such as solstices and equinoxes. These alignments would help them track the passage of time and plan important agricultural activities, ensuring the best times for planting and harvesting. Proponents of this theory point to the precise orientation of some lines that align perfectly with the sun's position during these pivotal moments in the solar cycle. This sophisticated timing would have been crucial for a civilization reliant on the rhythms of the natural world. Another compelling interpretation posits that the Nazca lines functioned as ritual pathways. In this context, the geoglyphs were more than just markings on the ground, they were part of a vast ceremonial landscape. The lines could have been used during religious processions, guiding participants through a sacred journey. This idea is supported by the discovery of artifacts along some of the lines, suggesting they were traveled routes during significant rituals. The act of walking these pathways might have been a form of worship, connecting the people with the deities they revered. Adding to the intrigue, some scholars believe the lines were messages to the gods. In this interpretation, the Nazca lines represented a form of communication with the divine. The creation of these massive geoglyphs, visible only from the sky, could have been intended for celestial beings. The figures of animals, plants, and humans might have symbolized offerings or prayers, meant to be seen by gods who dwelled in the heavens. This theory highlights the deep spiritual connection the Nazca people had with their environment, viewing the lines as a bridge between the earthly and divine realms. Despite extensive research, there is no definitive answer to the Nazca lines' purpose, and they likely held multiple meanings for their creators. As we continue to explore these enigmatic geoglyphs, we gain a greater appreciation for the complexity and sophistication of the Nazca civilization, leaving us to marvel at the enduring mystery they left behind. The eighth mysterious case involves the Dendera zodiac. This captivating artifact is a ceiling relief found in the Hathor temple at Dendera in Egypt. The Dendera zodiac is notable for its intricate depiction of the zodiac signs and planetary movements, which has piqued the interest of historians and astronomers alike. The relief, carved in stone, dates back to the Greco-Roman period around the 1st century BC and showcases a circular representation of the night sky. Exploring the details of the Dendera zodiac, we see that it includes all 12 zodiac signs we are familiar with today. Each sign is meticulously carved, accompanied by symbols representing various celestial bodies and constellations. Interestingly, the depiction also includes the 5 planets known to the ancient Egyptians, as well as the sun and the moon. This breadth of astronomical knowledge is remarkable, suggesting that the creators of the Dendera zodiac had a sophisticated understanding of celestial mechanics. What makes the Dendera zodiac so intriguing is its potential use for both astronomical and astrological purposes. The precise arrangement of the zodiac signs and planets indicates that it could have been used to track the movements of these celestial bodies, perhaps aiding in the creation of horoscopes or determining auspicious times for events. This blend of astronomical observation and astrological practice reflects the dual role of the Dendera zodiac as both a scientific tool and a mystical guide. The cultural and religious significance of the Dendera zodiac cannot be overstated. The ceiling relief is located in a temple dedicated to Hathor, the goddess of love, beauty, and music, who is also associated with the sky and stars. This connection suggests that the Dendera zodiac was not only an astronomical chart, but also a vital part of religious rituals and ceremonies. The depiction of the heavens within a sacred space underscores the Egyptians' belief in the divine nature of the cosmos and their desire to align their earthly existence with celestial patterns. Further analysis of the Dendera zodiac reveals that it may have also served an educational purpose. The detailed carvings could have functioned as a teaching tool, helping priests and scholars understand and impart knowledge about the complex movements of the stars and planets. By studying the Dendera zodiac, individuals could gain insights into both the scientific and spiritual aspects of astronomy, fostering a deeper connection to the cosmos. The discovery of the Dendera zodiac has sparked numerous debates among researchers regarding its origins and accuracy. Some scholars argue that it reflects Greek influences, given the period of its creation, while others maintain that it is a product of indigenous Egyptian astronomical traditions. Regardless of its exact origins, the Dendera zodiac stands as a testament to the advanced astronomical knowledge and cultural sophistication of the ancient Egyptians. As we continue to study the Dendera zodiac, it remains a captivating example of how ancient civilizations integrated their understanding of the cosmos into their cultural and religious practices. This mysterious case not only highlights the Egyptians' impressive astronomical capabilities, but also offers a glimpse into the profound spiritual significance they attributed to the stars. The Dendera zodiac continues to fascinate modern scholars and enthusiasts, leaving us to marvel at the ingenuity and depth of knowledge possessed by the ancients as they gazed upon the night sky. The astronomical knowledge encoded in the Dendera zodiac is a testament to the intricate blend of symbolism and celestial observation in ancient Egyptian culture. Central to this knowledge are the 12 zodiac signs, each meticulously depicted alongside representations of the planets Sun and Moon. These precise carvings suggest that the Egyptians had a sophisticated understanding of celestial mechanics, using the zodiac not only to track the movements of these celestial bodies, but also to interpret their significance in daily life and spiritual practices. The inclusion of the 5 planets known to the Egyptians, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury, alongside the Sun and the Moon, demonstrates their ability to observe and record astronomical phenomena with remarkable accuracy. This detailed mapping of the night sky indicates that the Dendera zodiac served as both an astronomical chart and an astrological guide. The Egyptians believed that the positions and movements of celestial bodies could influence earthly events and human destinies. Hence, the Dendera zodiac likely played a critical role in creating horoscopes and determining auspicious times for various activities, from agricultural planting to religious ceremonies. This intertwining of scientific observation and mystical interpretation reflects the dual nature of the Dendera zodiac as a tool for both practical and spiritual guidance. In the cultural context of ancient Egypt, the Dendera zodiac held profound symbolic meanings. Located in the temple of Hathor, a goddess associated with the sky and stars, the zodiac's celestial depictions were more than mere representations of the night sky. They embodied the Egyptians' belief in the divine order of the universe and their desire to align their earthly lives with this cosmic order. The ceiling relief served not only as an astronomical reference, but also as a vital part of religious rituals and ceremonies, reinforcing the connection between the heavens and human life. The symbolism embedded in the Dendera zodiac also extended to its educational purpose. The detailed carvings likely functioned as a teaching tool for priests and scholars, helping them understand and impart knowledge about the movements and significance of celestial bodies. By studying the Dendera zodiac, individuals could gain insights into both the scientific aspects of astronomy and the spiritual dimensions of their culture, fostering a holistic view of the cosmos. This blend of scientific and spiritual education underscores the multifaceted role of astronomy in ancient Egyptian society. The significance of the Dendera zodiac in ancient Egyptian culture is further highlighted by its enduring influence. Despite the passage of millennia, the Dendera zodiac continues to captivate modern researchers and enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the advanced astronomical knowledge and rich cultural traditions of ancient Egypt. As we delve deeper into the study of this fascinating artifact, we uncover more about the Egyptians' sophisticated understanding of the cosmos and their profound connection to the celestial world. This enduring legacy serves as a testament to the ingenuity and depth of knowledge possessed by the ancient Egyptians, leaving us to marvel at their ability to encode such intricate astronomical knowledge within a single, remarkable artifact. Modern analysis of the Dendera zodiac has profoundly impacted our understanding of ancient Egyptian astronomy, revealing a sophisticated blend of science and spirituality. Utilizing advanced imaging techniques and computer simulations, researchers have been able to delve deeper into the intricacies of the zodiac's carvings. These studies have confirmed that the Egyptians possessed an impressive understanding of celestial mechanics. The precise placement of the zodiac signs and the inclusion of known planets such as Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury demonstrate a level of astronomical knowledge that rivals contemporary achievements. One significant revelation from modern analysis is the accuracy with which the Dendera zodiac depicts the night sky. Studies have shown that the positions of the celestial bodies were meticulously recorded, suggesting that the zodiac was not merely symbolic but also served as an astronomical chart. This realization has prompted scholars to re-evaluate the role of astronomy in ancient Egyptian society, acknowledging that it played a crucial part in both daily life and religious practices. Additionally, the Dendera zodiac's detailed representation of the zodiac signs and planetary movements has influenced contemporary interpretations of ancient Egyptian astrology. Researchers now understand that the zodiac was used to create horoscopes and determine auspicious times for various activities, such as agricultural planting and religious ceremonies. This blend of scientific observation and mystical interpretation highlights the dual role of the Dendera zodiac as both a practical tool and a spiritual guide. The cultural significance of the Dendera zodiac has also been illuminated through modern analysis. By examining the context in which the zodiac was created and used, scholars have gained insights into how the ancient Egyptians perceived the cosmos and its influence on their lives. This has led to a deeper appreciation of the symbolic meanings embedded in the zodiac, such as the connection between the celestial patterns and the divine order of the universe. Furthermore, the Dendera zodiac's educational role has been underscored by recent studies. The detailed carvings likely served as a teaching tool for priests and scholars, helping them understand and impart knowledge about the movements and significance of celestial bodies. This aspect of the zodiac's function underscores its importance in the transmission of astronomical knowledge within ancient Egyptian culture. Modern interpretations of the Dendera zodiac have also sparked new debates about the origins and influences of ancient Egyptian astronomy. Some scholars argue that the zodiac reflects Greek astronomical knowledge, given the period of its creation, while others maintain that it is a product of indigenous Egyptian traditions. Regardless of its exact origins, the Dendera zodiac stands as a testament to the advanced astronomical capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. The impact of the Dendera zodiac on our understanding of ancient Egyptian astronomy is vast. It has expanded our knowledge of how the Egyptians integrated their observations of the night sky into their cultural and religious practices, demonstrating a sophisticated level of scientific and spiritual awareness. As research continues, the Nebra zodiac remains a captivating example of the ingenuity and depth of knowledge possessed by the ancients, offering valuable lessons for both historians and astronomers today. The ninth mysterious case involves the Chaco Canyon Sun Dagger. Nestled in the remote region of northwestern New Mexico, this intriguing rock formation has captivated archaeologists and astronomers with its unique ability to mark solstices and equinoxes through intricate light patterns. The Sun Dagger is located atop Fajada Butte, a prominent hill within Chaco Canyon, a site rich with ancient ruins and cultural heritage from the ancestral Pueblones. The Sun Dagger consists of 3 large stone slabs leaning against each other, casting precise slivers of sunlight onto a spiral petroglyph etched into the rock face behind them. During the solstices, these slivers of light create striking patterns on the spiral, marking the exact positions of the sun. On the summer solstice, a single beam of light bisects the center of the spiral, creating a dramatic visual effect. Conversely, on the winter solstice, 2 beams flank the spiral, framing it perfectly. This alignment is not coincidental but a deliberate and sophisticated design, showcasing the ancestral Pueblones' advanced understanding of solar cycles. The equinoxes are equally mesmerizing at the Sun Dagger site. As the sun rises, the light and shadow interplay moves across the petroglyph, aligning precisely with the spiral's edges. This dynamic display indicates the exact moment of the equinox, when day and night are of equal length. The accuracy of these light patterns suggests that the ancestral Pueblones meticulously observed the sun's movements and planned the placement of the stone slabs to create this celestial calendar. The Sun Dagger's purpose extends beyond mere timekeeping. It likely held significant cultural and religious importance for the ancestral Pueblones. The precise solar alignments may have been used to time agricultural activities, ensuring that planting and harvesting were synchronized with the seasons. Additionally, the visual spectacle created by the light patterns would have imbued the site with spiritual significance, possibly used for ceremonial gatherings and rituals. The interplay of light and shadow on the spiral petroglyph could symbolize the connection between the earthly realm and the celestial forces, reflecting a worldview deeply intertwined with natural cycles. The discovery of the Sun Dagger in the 1970s by artist Anna Sofer has sparked considerable interest and further research into the astronomical capabilities of the ancestral Pueblones. Advanced imaging and computer simulations have confirmed the precision of the alignments, reinforcing the notion that the Sun Dagger was an intentional and highly sophisticated creation. The site has also prompted comparisons to other ancient solar observatories, highlighting the universal human fascination with tracking celestial events. As we continue to explore and study the Chaco Canyon Sun Dagger, it remains a poignant reminder of the ingenuity and observational prowess of ancient civilizations. This mysterious case not only showcases the ancestral Pueblones' profound connection to the cosmos, but also invites us to marvel at the enduring legacy they left behind through their remarkable integration of art, science, and spirituality. The cultural context of the Chaco Canyon Sun Dagger reveals its profound significance to the ancestral Pueblones, intertwining their agricultural and ceremonial practices with the celestial phenomena it marked. The precise solar alignments of the Sun Dagger were not merely for astronomical observation, but played an integral role in the life and spirituality of the ancestral Pueblones. The alignment with the solstices and equinoxes provided a reliable method to track the changing seasons, essential for agricultural planning. By understanding the exact moments of these celestial events, the ancestral Pueblones could synchronize their planting and harvesting activities, ensuring that they were in harmony with the natural cycles. This alignment would have helped them optimize crop yields, securing food supply and stability for the community. Beyond its practical applications, the Sun Dagger held deep ceremonial importance. The interplay of light and shadow on the spiral petroglyph created a visual spectacle that likely imbued the site with spiritual significance. The precise moments when the sun's light intersected with the spiral would have been seen as divine events, possibly interpreted as messages or blessings from the gods. This connection between the earthly and celestial realms was central to the ancestral Puebloans' worldview, reflecting a belief system that revered natural cycles and celestial forces. Ceremonial gatherings at the sun dagger site during solstices and equinoxes were likely significant communal events. The visual phenomenon created by the sunlight on these key dates would have served as focal points for rituals, celebrations, and offerings. These gatherings reinforced social cohesion and the shared cultural identity of the ancestral Puebloans, as they collectively experienced the alignment of the sun with the sacred spiral. The sun dagger thus became a symbol of unity, linking the community with the cosmos and affirming their place within the natural order. The spiral petroglyph itself holds symbolic meanings that enhance the cultural significance of the site. Spirals are often interpreted as symbols of life cycles, growth, and cosmic energy. The interaction of sunlight with the spiral during solstices and equinoxes could have represented the progression of life and time, echoing the rhythms of nature that the ancestral Puebloans deeply respected. This symbolism would have added layers of meaning to the ceremonial use of the site, creating a spiritual narrative that connected the community with the universe. The Choco Canyon Sun Dagger exemplifies the ancestral Puebloans' sophisticated understanding of astronomy and their ability to integrate it into their daily lives and spiritual practices. The site's cultural context underscores the deep connection they had with the cosmos, reflecting a harmonious relationship with the natural world that guided their agricultural activities and enriched their ceremonial traditions. As we continue to study the sun dagger, it remains a poignant testament to the ingenuity, spirituality, and observational skills of the ancestral Puebloans, offering valuable insights into their cultural heritage and enduring legacy. Theories and discoveries regarding the Choco Canyon sun dagger have evolved considerably, offering new insights into its exact function and the sophistication of its design. Recent studies utilizing advanced imaging techniques and astronomical software have provided a more detailed understanding of how the sun dagger was used. These studies suggest that the precise placement of the stone slabs and the spiral petroglyph was not random but the result of meticulous planning and keen astronomical observation. Researchers have confirmed that the alignment of the slabs with the sun during solstices and equinoxes required a sophisticated understanding of solar cycles, indicating that the ancestral Puebloans were highly skilled astronomers. One prominent theory posits that the sun dagger served as an intricate solar calendar, helping the ancestral Puebloans track the passage of time with remarkable accuracy. This theory is supported by the stone slab's ability to cast light and shadows in specific patterns that mark solstices and equinoxes consistently year after year. This sophisticated timekeeping would have been essential for agricultural planning, ensuring that crops were planted and harvested at optimal times. Another fascinating discovery comes from the analysis of the spiral petroglyph itself. Some researchers argue that its design may encode more complex astronomical information beyond simple solar alignments. For instance, the number of turns in the spiral and its overall layout might represent lunar cycles or other celestial events, suggesting that the sun dagger was a multifunctional astronomical tool. This complexity underscores the advanced mathematical and observational skills required to create and use such a device. Recent archaeological findings around Fajada have also shed light on how the sun dagger fits into the broader cultural and spiritual landscape of Choco Canyon. Excavations have uncovered artifacts and structures that indicate the site was a hub of ceremonial activity, reinforcing the idea that the sun dagger was not just a practical tool but also had significant ritualistic importance. The precise solar alignments would have imbued the site with spiritual meaning, making it a focal point for community gatherings and religious ceremonies. Theories about the sophisticated design of the sun dagger also highlight the ingenuity of its creators. To achieve the precise alignments, the ancestral Puebloans would have needed to observe the sun's movements over many years, carefully positioning the stone slabs to create the desired light and shadow effects. This process would have involved complex calculations and a deep understanding of the interplay between the sun and the landscape, demonstrating an impressive level of technological and scientific knowledge. Moreover, the durability of the sun dagger's design, which continues to function accurately after centuries, speaks to the advanced engineering skills of its builders. The ability to construct a lasting and precise solar observatory using natural materials showcases the ancestral Puebloans' ingenuity and their capacity to blend art, science, and spirituality seamlessly. As we continue to study the Choco Canyon sun dagger, these recent discoveries and theories enhance our appreciation of the ancestral Puebloans' sophisticated astronomical knowledge and their deep connection to the cosmos. This remarkable site invites us to marvel at their ingenuity and to reflect on the enduring legacy of their celestial observations. The 10th mysterious case involves the star maps of the Lascaux Caves. Nestled in the Dordogne region of southwestern France, these prehistoric cave paintings have captivated archaeologists and researchers since their discovery in 1940. Dating back approximately 17,000 years, the Lascaux Caves are adorned with an extraordinary array of artwork, including depictions of animals, abstract symbols, and intricate patterns. However, what makes these paintings particularly intriguing is the theory proposed by some researchers that they may also represent star constellations. Among the numerous paintings, specific clusters of dots and patterns stand out to researchers as potential representations of the night sky. For instance, a series of dots near the depiction of a bull reminiscent of the constellation Taurus has sparked significant debate. Some researchers suggest that these dots align with the Pleiades star cluster, also known as the Seven Sisters, which is visible in the constellation Taurus. This possible correlation between the cave paintings and celestial bodies suggests that the people who created them had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy long before recorded history. Further supporting this theory is the arrangement of dots in relation to other animal figures within the caves. Researchers have identified patterns that could correspond to other constellations, such as Orion and the Hyades. This potential mapping of the night sky within the Lascaux Caves indicates that the prehistoric artists might have used the cave walls to chart the stars, creating one of the earliest known star maps. The idea that these ancient paintings could serve as astronomical records opens up fascinating questions about the knowledge and practices of prehistoric peoples. Did they use these star maps for navigation, timekeeping, or perhaps ritualistic purposes? The precise alignment of these dots with known star clusters suggests a deliberate attempt to capture the celestial order, reflecting a deep connection between the early humans and the cosmos. The interpretation of the Lascaux cave paintings as star maps is still a subject of ongoing research and debate. While the alignment of dots with certain star clusters is compelling, alternative explanations suggest that these patterns could have held symbolic or spiritual meanings unrelated to astronomy. Whether they served as accurate celestial charts or symbolic representations, the paintings in the Lascaux Caves undoubtedly demonstrate the remarkable cognitive and artistic abilities of our prehistoric ancestors. As researchers continue to study these enigmatic artworks, the Lascaux Caves remain a testament to the ingenuity and observational skills of early humans, leaving us to ponder the extent of their knowledge of the cosmos and their place within it. The connection to astronomy is particularly compelling when examining the alignment of the Lascaux cave paintings with astronomical events. If we consider the hypothesis that these ancient depictions represent constellations, it reveals a fascinating narrative about Upper Paleolithic sky watching. The alignment of certain dot patterns with star clusters like the Pleiades near the depiction of a bull suggests that the early humans not only observed the cosmos but also documented these observations in their artwork. This alignment is no mere coincidence. It indicates a deliberate effort to chart the night sky. The Pleiades, also known as the Seven Sisters, have been significant in various cultures throughout history, often used to mark the agricultural calendar. The fact that these prehistoric people may have recognized and recorded this star cluster reveals their advanced understanding of seasonal changes, which were crucial for survival. Further supporting this theory are the arrangements of dots that appear to correlate with other constellations such as Orion and the Hyades. The possible depiction of Orion, often associated with hunting in many cultures, aligns with the presence of numerous animal figures in the cave, suggesting a symbolic interplay between celestial patterns and earthly activities. This correlation points to a sophisticated level of astronomical knowledge, implying that the creators of these paintings used the stars for more than just navigation. They likely embedded astronomical events into their cultural and spiritual practices. The alignment of these paintings with astronomical events suggests that the Upper Paleolithic peoples were astute sky watchers who integrated their observations into their daily lives and rituals. This practice reveals a profound connection between the natural world and their existence, reflecting a worldview where celestial bodies influence terrestrial affairs. The paintings may have functioned as a prehistoric almanac, guiding them on when to hunt, gather, or perform certain rituals. The meticulous placement of these dots, aligning so closely with known star clusters, indicates an intentional effort to map and utilize the stars, highlighting their reliance on celestial phenomena. Moreover, the potential use of the Lascaux cave paintings as star maps speaks volumes about the intellectual and artistic capabilities of our ancient ancestors. It showcases their ability to abstractly represent the cosmos and their desire to understand and relate to the universe around them. This blend of art and astronomy provides insights into their cognitive development, showing that they possessed a level of observational sophistication that is often underestimated. Their ability to create these intricate maps of the night sky reveals a complex understanding of time, space, and their place within the cosmos, aspects that are fundamental to human development. As we continue to examine the Lascaux cave paintings, the alignment with astronomical events not only enriches our understanding of Upper Paleolithic sky watching, but also deepens our appreciation for the ingenuity and perception of these early humans. They navigated their world with a keen awareness of the heavens, leaving behind clues that bridge the gap between past and present, inviting us to explore the depths of their celestial knowledge. This connection between art and astronomy underscores a timeless quest to comprehend the universe, a pursuit that began thousands of years ago and continues to inspire us today. The ongoing mysteries surrounding the Lascaux cave paintings continue to captivate researchers and spark lively debates about the accuracy of their portrayals and their broader implications. Experts in archaeology, astronomy, and anthropology are actively investigating whether the dot patterns alongside animal depictions truly represent star constellations, or if they simply hold symbolic or cultural significance unrelated to the night sky. Advanced techniques such as high-resolution imaging and computer simulations are being employed to analyze the alignment of these dots with known celestial bodies, seeking to verify if they indeed correlate with ancient constellations like the Pleiades or Orion. These modern studies often yield compelling but varied results, suggesting that the interpretation of these prehistoric artworks remains an open question. Further complicating the debate is the broader context within which these paintings were created. Some scholars propose that the dots might be part of a more extensive system of symbolic notation rather than direct astronomical observations. This perspective argues that the patterns could have represented ritualistic or mythological elements rather than serving as accurate star maps. Conversely, others believe that if these paintings do reflect astronomical knowledge, it indicates a level of cognitive and observational sophistication far beyond what was previously assumed for Upper Paleolithic peoples. This could reshape our understanding of their cultural and intellectual development, suggesting they had a more profound connection to the cosmos than traditionally thought. The implications of confirming the Lascaux cave paintings as star maps are significant and far-reaching. Such a discovery would not only revolutionize our perception of prehistoric art, but also provide insights into the early humans' understanding of time, navigation, and their place in the universe. It would underscore the idea that these ancient peoples were keen observers of the natural world, integrating their knowledge of celestial events into their daily lives and spiritual practices. This connection could hint at a form of proto-scientific thinking, where observation and record-keeping of the stars played a crucial role in survival and cultural identity. As ongoing research delves deeper into these mysteries, new methodologies and technologies are continually emerging to provide fresh perspectives on the Lascaux cave paintings. Interdisciplinary collaborations are essential, bringing together experts from various fields to piece together a more comprehensive picture of what these ancient artworks truly represent. The debates are far from settled, and as new discoveries come to light, they promise to add layers of complexity and intrigue to our understanding of the Lascaux caves. This process of exploration and interpretation highlights the enduring allure of these prehistoric masterpieces, inviting us to look beyond their surface beauty and ponder the ancient minds that created them. In summary, we've delved into 10 fascinating cases that reveal the incredible astronomical knowledge of ancient civilizations. From the intricate Antikythera Mechanism, the advanced calendar systems of the Maya, and the mysterious alignments of the pyramids of Giza, to the celestial depictions in the Lascaux caves, each example showcases our ancestors' profound understanding of the cosmos. The Nebra Sky Disk, Stonehenge, the Baghdad Battery, the Nazca Lines, the Dendera Zodiac, and the Choco Canyon Sun Dagger all highlight the sophisticated practices and technologies that ancient peoples used to chart the stars and align their lives with celestial events. These discoveries challenge our perceptions of history and raise intriguing questions about how these civilizations acquired such advanced knowledge. How did they develop the tools and techniques necessary to achieve such precision? What other forgotten technologies and practices might we still uncover? As we continue to explore the remnants of these ancient marvels, we are reminded of the incredible achievements of our ancestors and the enduring mysteries that they left behind. The legacy of their astronomical knowledge not only enriches our understanding of the past, but also inspires us to continue seeking answers about the origins of human ingenuity and our place in the universe. If you enjoyed this exploration of ancient astronomical mysteries, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space.